5 years ago, he earned just $200 a month. Now, he's Cody, leading a company in Guangzhou that serves over 500 satisfied clients around the world. Today, as usual, stepping into the office at 9 a.m. sharp to start the day. Outside the window is the hustle and bustle of the city, but his focus is on checking detailed soft client orders with his team. At 11 o'clock a.m., he receives new clients from Europe. Now he is discussing with clients in the meeting room. The clients decided to sign a cooperation contract with us. Every successful cooperation is affirmation of his hard work. At 12 o'clock, enjoy authentic Chinese food with them. Chinese spicy food. Do you dare to try? Tell us your favorite Chinese food. We will treat you next time when you come to Guangzhou. 3:30 p.m. He comes to our warehouse to check the goods. After carefully inspecting the goods, he labeled them with our unique labels.
Every choice made by a client is a responsibility for us, from sourcing in China to global logistics. I'm here to ensure that each of your choices is worth of trust and reliance.